Hi, I'm Taiko Kawakami, an ASTRAX General Manager. This time, I talk about technology, challenges and solutions for space travel meals as reprinted by Yakitori, grilled chicken. 1. Introduction. You can serve what you want to eat in a tasty and visually pleasing way, and enjoy it around the table with your family and friends. It is difficult to realize in space what we take for granted on Earth. However, at ASTRAX, we do not assume that it is impossible, but rather believe that by bringing it as close as possible to realization, we will be able to improve the service of commercial space travel. And we believe that is what is needed. In this paper, we will refer to making yakitori, which has already been certified as space food, even more satisfying, and discuss the necessary technologies, challenges, and solutions for what ASTRAX considers to be a rich meal in space. 2. Introduction of yakitori. Yakitori is a traditional Japanese dish. It is often eaten at izakaya, Japanese-style pubs, with alcohol, especially beer. It is made by skewering various parts of chicken, thigh, liver, heart, etc., cut into bite-sized pieces on bamboo skewers approximately 20 centimeters long and roasting them directly over a fire until the ingredients are cooked through. The skewers are then seasoned with salt or sweet and spicy sauce during the roasting process. Yakitori, called nagima, is made by alternately piercing bite-sized pieces of chicken thigh and green onion so that there are a total of 5 or 6 pieces of each. The combination of the chicken and the green onions is exquisite, making it a very popular menu item. 3. The current status of space food. In the past, many of them were on a liquid diet, sucking on a baggie of food or eating bite-sized solids. This was disapproved of as being like baby food, but it has gradually improved. And now cutlery such as spoons and forks are used even on board spacecraft. There are hundreds of varieties of space food, not only Western but also Japanese. However, those that are cooked with hot water, are scraped out of a pouch, each time they are eaten, which is a far cry from the elegant meals of staples, soups, and desserts that are beautifully presented on large plates on Earth. Although the primary purpose of a meal is to obtain necessary nutrients, it is now recognized that there are other meanings to a meal that are different from mere nourishment, such as satisfying the desire of appetite and enriching the mind through eating. As a result, the environment in which meals are consumed on board spacecraft is gradually improving. 4. Current status of yakitori as space food. As of 2023, yakitori is among the space foods approved by Japan's Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA. It is a bite-sized piece of chicken that is grilled, seasoned, and packed in a can. This almost identical product is also available in Japan. 5. Current challenges and improvements. In Japan, yakitori is usually a bite-sized piece of chicken on a skewer, grilled over charcoal, seasoned with sauce or salt, and eaten. As for the taste of space yakitori described in Section 4, it is seasoned as yakitori on Earth and packed in cans, so it provides a fixed taste. However, grilling, a bite-sized piece of chicken on a skewer, as is done on Earth, is not done in space. This is because there is no tool yet to grill something shaped like a grilled chicken in space. 5-1. Developed coil-type yakitori grill. Therefore, ASTRAX is considering developing a tool that can grill yakitori in space. An electric heating wire is coiled in the image of a coil winding to create a cavity approximately 5 cm in diameter and 30 cm in length, and a skewer with meat inserted inside. It is heated and grilled. In the coiling process, heat is applied to the entire surface of the grilled chicken from the outside, so that the chicken is evenly heated. Once grilled, the yakitori can be removed from the coil and eaten as it is. When yakitori is grilled on Earth, oil falls from the meat and smoke is emitted. Although it is necessary to conduct experiments using a zero-gravity airplane to see how the yakitori will behave in a zero-gravity environment, once this tool is completed, we will be able to develop technology to grill yakitori on a skewer in space and enjoy its delicious taste. With this tool, it will be possible to grill not only yakitori but also other foods on skewers in zero gravity. It may also become possible to make cheese fondue, for example. Incidentally, a special oven for grilling flat meat such as steak has already been installed on the International Space Station, and pre-cooked food as a retort is heated and eaten. By applying the tools for making grilled chicken this time, we think it would be possible not only to heat up steaks but also to enrich the appearance of the dining table by browning them. 5-2. Use a commercial yakitori grill. The opposite concept from section 5.1 could be used to heat the yakitori skewers by rotating them around a bar-shaped heater. ASTRAX is focusing on the yakitori grill available on the market in Japan. In a glass-fronted case, 3 yakitori skewers automatically rotate around a bar-shaped heater to slowly cook the yakitori. Smoke and oil are emitted when yakitori is grilled, but the smoke does not leak outside, and the oil does not contaminate the table because of the oil catch pan. And because of its compact shape, it can be used on a tabletop. We experimented with this yakitori grill using a spacecraft educational training simulator. No oil was emitted, but excess oil fell to the bottom, resulting in delicious yakitori. However, due to gravity, the smoke and oil went upward and the oil fell downward. Since smoke and oil do not go upward and downward, respectively, in a zero-gravity environment, some countermeasure, such as adding a vacuum cleaner-like function to suck up the smoke and oil, is necessary. But we will continue to experiment and verify this issue in the future. 6. Consideration. It may not be necessary to eat all food in the same way as on Earth in order to bring a rich diet in space. However, we can't assume that options are limited because we are in space. For example, if we use the example of yakitori, we can season grilled chicken, pack it in a can, and take it to space to eat. We don't want to limit ourselves and say that we cannot grill chicken on a skewer in space and eat it. We will take this as a challenge in creating services that will enrich our lives as human life expands further into space. We believe that by thoroughly pursuing ways of eating, we can move from eating retort-packed food out of bags or cans in space to achieving a richer diet. In Japan, yakitori and beer are so much a part of the izakaya, Japanese-style pub, menu that yakitori is often associated with beer, and beer with yakitori. ASTRAX is also developing a space beer that can be consumed in space. For more information on the development of space beer, please refer to another paper. 7. Conclusion. In this paper, we have discussed abundant meals in space using yakitori as an example. ASTRAX will continue to develop services to provide rich meals in space. Thank you for your attention. For more details, please read the paper. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please email us. Thank you.